Yo, what's happening everyone? It's your boy here, Rahim. We're back again with another great amazing tech video. The video of today is all about the Apple event. As some of you guys know, Apple introduced some brand new gadgets throughout the Apple lineup. And talking about the Apple lineup, to be honest, I talked about what's next throughout the video. If you didn't check it out, actually ignore it, forget it, because of one thing. First of all, nowadays I think the leaks, they might not be true, because they might be leaking the truthful and half the truthful and stuff like that. You might be getting lost, but anyways, leaks are leaks, they're past things. Let's look forward. Now right now we have seen what Apple has packed throughout the event. Well, they have packed throughout a lot of things, especially the brand new iPad, which is really kind of great thing, giving it some new kind of fast gen of the pencil. Using it, it's really kind of next level stuff. Another kind of stuff, it's all about some brand new Apple Watch Series 7 watch, which is a really kind of great thing. Another kind of stuff which I like about their lineup, it's all about the iPad mini. I kind of like so fascinated throughout the iPad mini because the way it looks like, the way they kept it, it's really cool, to be honest. I kind of love it. Another kind of stuff which is really dope is the iPhone 13. Now you might be saying, yes Abdul, iPhone 13 looks the same as iPhone 12, but minor layout changes. I agree with you, minor layouts changes, but beware that the iPhone 13 has new features. What am I talking about? I'm talking about some new improvement throughout the body of the phone. Secondly, some new battery capacity throughout the Apple iPhone 13, which is really good, which we're gonna jump in throughout the spec. Another kind of stuff, it's all about the cinematic. Cut everything out. Let's be honest. Apple, they perfect things. You like it, you dislike it, Apple perfect things. Talking about cinematic, it's really kind of great thing. I kind of love it, the way they process throughout filmmaking, throughout the iPhone only, the way how you can do the focusing on the subject. Even after you have shot the video, you can still focus and refocus on the subject. We use the algorithm throughout the camera, which is really some kind of next level stuff. Another kind of stuff which is so really good, it's all about the A15 Bionic Chip. Now I know some of you guys, you'll be like, A15 Bionic Chip? Yes, there is an A15 Bionic Chip which is really cool. To be honest, the A15 Bionic Chip pushes its own self towards much powerful throughout how much you can use the iPhone, which is really kind of next level stuff. I really like it. The iOS 15, it's really good because all these kind of lineup products, they're gonna work perfectly throughout the iOS 15. It doesn't mean that you have an older device, it won't work nice. They are all gonna perform perfect, but you see, if there's a new kind of device having some new kind of hardware in it and they keep it that kind of operating system more smoothly throughout it, it's really kind of awesome. Another kind of stuff which I'm just like sharing with you guys, some highlights, is the 120 Hertz refresh rate. I love it. I think they wanted to share with the users so as they can understand. I usually thinking about it since day one that if Apple gets the 120 Hz refresh rate, what's the big deal? What's the big ideal? Now the big deal is all about how much you're gonna use the phone, how much smoothness. So I think the 120 Hz refresh rate, the fluidity, is gonna be working throughout background and how it's gonna manage its own self throughout the activities, which it's gonna be really good. If you're playing a game which it requests you to be having much frame rates and that kind of refresh rates, it's gonna be using that kind of 120 Hz refresh rate, which is really kind of big thing. So I think Apple did a great kind of job to be keeping this kind of lineup throughout the new kind of product, and it's really kind of awesome. Right now we're seeing some really good and amazing big change throughout the battery life, which is so great. Another kind of stuff what we're seeing right now, it's all about the promotion. Now Apple decided to keep these kind of phones and having a promotion on it, which is really kind of great thing. As some of you guys know, using an Apple device, it's really kind of seamless if you're having all those kind of ecosystem throughout the lineup. It's really kind of great thing. But what if you don't have Apple devices, all of them at all? Well, it might be a problem. That's why I keep on saying so many times, having an ecosystem, it's really legitimate, but having only an iPhone and using some earphones which are randomly, or any kind of device which you want to use throughout the iPhone which is not Apple certified, you might be getting a problem. That's why I'm saying Apple, they are really good when you're using them throughout the ecosystem. These are not like too much deep into specs. I just wanted to share with you guys the highlights, overview, what happened throughout the event. It was really kind of great thing, to be honest, on the event of Apple, as some of you guys know how much Apple keeps up throughout the events, how they how they present their products. It's some next level stuff, to be honest. That's what's up, guys. I hope you enjoyed on these kind of minimal highlights throughout what happened throughout the event. There were bunch and stuffs they talked about, but I just wanted to share with you guys some few brief so as you can be aware. But if you want to get more detail, more content, I'll leave a link down below for The Verge and Apple themselves, so as you can check them out to see what's happening throughout these kind of devices, to get deeper and deeper throughout what you're gonna be packed or what you're gonna be buying throughout this kind of new lineup of Apple devices. Yeah, so thank you guys for watching. I'll be catching you guys on the next one. As always, stay sharp and creative, and kudos guys, and peace.